in these difficult moments. I'm here also because I know how you're feeling now. Slovenia was in similar situation 3 decades ago. We had been also fighting for our freedom, sovereignty, and also for our lives. So we know exactly how you're feeling, and I'm bringing here also full solidarity of Slovenian people who are collecting now all kinds of support for Ukraine and people escaping from this terrible war, for children, for women. And we're also trying to help with organizing solidarity across our borders. We are here also to deliver the message of the united European support, which is significant. We are bringing here full support for your future, not only European path, but EU membership. I think that, as I said before, if we are looking across Europe now, we don't see any other country which is fighting for European values more than Ukrainian people are doing currently. We are very grateful for briefings on variety of matters you mentioned in your introduction statement, on humanitarian aid, on all kinds of technical and military aid, on sanctions, and also on many issues we will deliver to our friends when we will meet soon with the colleagues from the European Council. It's quite different if you follow the events from the distance and from the screens, and when you see the issues and when you can share physically the experiences. When we traveled here, I was contacted by Secretary General of the OECD, the group of the most developed countries in the world. He informed me and he tasked me to share this with you and with the Ukrainian public, that OECD is preparing a huge package how to help Ukraine to rebuild after the war. And this will be the topic of the discussion as early as next Council of the OECD. So we are also here to tell you that you're not alone, your fight is our fight, and together we will prevail. Slava Ukraini!
Szanowni